My name is Lucia. I am learning English. Today, I want to tell you about my day at the hair salon. This is a simple story. You can read it and learn with me. I woke up excited because today was the day I was getting a haircut. I had been looking forward to this for weeks. My hair was getting too long, and I wanted a fresh new look. I checked my phone for the address of the salon. It was called Glamour Cuts, and it was just a 10-minute walk from my apartment. I put on my favourite dress and grabbed my bag. Inside my bag, I had my notebook. I always carry it to write down new words I learn. Today, I hoped to learn some beauty-related vocabulary. When I arrived at the salon, I pushed the door open. A bell chimed, and a friendly woman at the front desk greeted me. "Hello, do you have an appointment?" she asked. "Yes, my name is Lucia. I have an appointment at 10 o'clock, I said. "Perfect. Please take a seat. Your steen stylist will be with you shortly," she said. I sat down on a comfortable chair and looked around. The salon was bright and clean. There were mirrors everywhere, and the smell of hair products filled the air. I opened my notebook and wrote, "Stylist. Change person who cuts hair." A few minutes later, a woman with short, stylish hair walked over to me. She smiled and said, "Hi, I'm Emma. I'll be your stylist today. What can I do for you?" I stood up and shook her hand. "Hi, Emma. I want to get a haircut, but I'm not sure what style to choose," I said. "No problem. Let's talk about what you want. Do you want a quite warm trimmed? Want trim? Or do you want to cut more?" she asked. "What's a tone trim sort?" I asked, writing the word in my notebook. "Aens trimsul means cutting just a little bit off the ends of your hair. It's good if you want to keep your hair long, but make it look neat," she explained. "I think I want more than a poor trim up. My hair is too long, and I want something fresh," I said. Emma nodded. "Okay, let's look at some pictures. We can find a style you like." She handed me a book with photos of different hairstyles. I pointed to one that I liked. "What do you think of this?" "That's a cordola, Ian. It's short and chic. It would look great on you," Emma said. "What's a me bob more?" I asked, writing the word down. A modern bobby is a short haircut where the hair is usually cut straight around the head. "It's very stylish," she explained. "I like it. Let's do that," I said, feeling excited. Emma led me to a chair with a sink. "First, we'll wash your hair with an shampoo," she said. "What's an shampoo?" I asked, adding the word to my notebook. "Shampoo is a liquid we use to clean your hair. It removes dirt and oil," she explained. I leaned back in the chair, and Emma gently washed my hair. The water was warm, and the sun shampoo smelled like flowers. It felt so relaxing. "This feels amazing," I said. "I'm glad you like it. After we rinse, we'll use conditioner to make your hair soft and shiny," Emma said. "What's the conditioners?" I asked. "Conditioner sauce is a product we put in your hair after swimming. Shampoo. It helps keep your hair smooth and easy to comb, she explained. I wrote in my notebook. Shampoo. Cleans hair. Conditioner. Thus makes hair soft. After my hair was washed, Emma led me back to the chair in front of the mirror. She wrapped a cape around me and combed my hair. Are you ready? She asked. Yes, I'm ready, I said, feeling a little nervous but excited. Emma started cutting my hair. I watched in the mirror as she worked. She used scissors and a comb, and she was very careful. Do you like it so far? She asked. Yes, it looks great, I said. I'm giving you a Hawaii layered bob sia. That means the hair is cut in different lengths to add volume and movement, she explained. What's on volume, Mia? I asked. Volume this means making your hair look fuller and thicker, she said. I wrote in my notebook. Layered bob. Ornteen's haircut with different lengths. Volume. Fuller, thicker hair. After cutting my hair, Emma used a blow dryer and a round brush to style it. I'm using a Dove blow dryer to dry your hair and give it shape, she said. What's a sort you blow dryer? What? I asked. A Moz blow dryer is a machine that blows hot air to dry your hair quickly, she explained. Next, she used a flat iron to make my hair smooth and straight. This is a more flat iron. It heats up and straightens your hair, she said. I wrote in my notebook. Blow dryer. Ornament was dries and styles hair. Flat iron. Straightens hair. Finally, Emma sprayed something on my hair. This is kin hairspray, sir. It keeps your style in place, she said. What's hairspray, sir? I asked. Hairspray is a liquid spray that holds your hair in place so it doesn't move, she explained. I wrote in my notebook, hairspray equals holds hair in place. Emma turned the chair so I could see myself in the mirror. What do you think? She asked. I looked at my reflection. My hair was short, sleek and stylish. I loved it. Perfect. Thank you so much, Emma, I said. You're welcome. I'm glad you like it, she said. I put on the desk and thanked everyone at the salon. As I walked out, I felt confident and happy with my new look. Chapter 7. Writing about my experience. When I got home, I opened my notebook and wrote about my day. Today I went to the hair salon. My stylist, Emma, gave me a layered bob. First, she washed my hair with swat shampoo and used a conditioner to make it soft. Then she cut my hair and used a hot blow dryer and to style it. Finally, she used her hairspray to keep it in place. I love my new haircut. I also wrote down all the new words I learned. Stylist, this mean person who cuts hair. Trim, this mean cutting a little bit. Shampoo, this mean cleans hair. Conditioner, this means makes hair soft. Layered bob, this mean haircut with different lengths. Volume, this mean fuller, thicker hair. Dryer, this mean dries and styles hair. Flat iron, this mean straightens hair. Hairspray, this mean holds hair in place. I took a selfie and sent it to my friends with a message. Look at my new haircut. I got a layered bob. Do you like it? My friends replied, it looks amazing. What's a bob? Maria, I love it. Where did you go? Sophia, you look so stylish. Anna, I explained the new words to them and told them about my experience at the salon. I enjoyed my visit to the salon so much that I decided to go back in a few months. I made a note in my calendar and thought about what I might want next time. Maybe I'll try a new colour or a different style. A few weeks later, I went back to the salon to try more services. This time, I wanted to learn about hair. Hi, Emma. I'm thinking about colouring my hair. What do you recommend? I asked. Hi, Lucia. There are many options. You can try highlights or balayage. Full colour, she said. What's the difference? I asked. Highlights are small sections of hair that are lighter than the rest. Balayage is a technique where the colour is painted on for a natural look. A full-sa colours means changing the colour of all your hair, she explained. I wrote a notebook. Highlights equals lighter sections. Balayage equals painted colour. Colour equals all hair coloured. Highlights. Emma applied the colour carefully and explained each step. First, I'll apply the faux bleach to lighten your hair. Then, I'll use a toner to get the right shade, she said. What's bleach and toner? I asked. Bleach is a chemical that lightens your hair. Toner is a product that adjusts the colour to make it look natural, she explained. I wrote in my notebook. Bleach lightens hair. Adjusts colour. After the process, Emma washed and styled my hair. I looked in the mirror and loved the result. My hair had beautiful sun-kissed highlights. It looks amazing. Thank you, Emma, I said. You're welcome. I'm glad you like it, she said. I wrote in my notebook. Today I highlights. I'm at the salon. Emma used bleach and wore toner to lighten my hair. I love the result.